Hi friends, this side Vijay Kumar and you are watching Average Classmate YouTube channel. I am back with another interesting and informative video today. Before I start the topic for today, I would take your 1 minute. I've just checked that one of my video has been appreciated by many people and got 10,000 views in last 28 days. The link of that video is available in the description below. After watching this video, do check that video. That may be helpful for you as well. I've got very nice comments on that video and my efforts are really appreciated. I really want to say thank you so much everybody for appreciating the efforts. These things motivate me a lot and keep me charged up to make more useful and helpful contents. Now, let's dive into today's topic, some of the most common Excel reported issues we are going to talk today. We are in Global Superstore 2016 Excel workbook, and I hope you guys know from where I have downloaded this. It is an open source data provided by Microsoft. It is an open source data provided by Microsoft, and if you don't know the site, you can check out my dashboard video. Link is available in the description below. There I have mentioned the link of the web page from which I have downloaded this. So this type of error occurs with two reasons. Either the width of that particular column is too narrow, that our values are not getting enough space. So to increase the width, let's double click here. This issue got fixed in the column D, but in column C, we have one cell where this issue still has. Let's double click here. No. So if I click here, the intelligence says dates and time that are negative or too large, then this issue occurs. If you go in formula bar, you see here we have negative sign. So let me remove this and press enter. So this issue got fixed. Now next issue, div by zero error. This error only comes when we divide a number with zero. So let's go towards right side, and here I will create a custom column to calculate cost per unit. The formula would be total cost divided by quantity. Just consider that shipping cost is our total cost, equal to this divided by this, and double click here. This way we got cost per unit. But if in quantity we have zero, then we will get that error, div by zero error. Means we have divided one value with zero. So to fix this type of error, we don't need to correct our formula. We have to correct the source, and the source of this formula is here. Here we need to pass some value and this formula will get auto corrected. Hash n error. This error occurs when a lookup formula cannot find its value in the source range. So mostly this error comes with lookup formulas like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, match, or any other lookup formula. So let's go in return sheet and write one lookup formula. Let's say based on this order ID, I want to see the category. Let's write a header here, equal to VLOOKUP, lookup value order ID, comma, table array would be order sheets data, and the category column is towards right side, column P, which is 15, comma 15, comma 0, bracket close, enter. This way we got category technology for this order ID. Now let's double click here. Now let's go in the end. Let's increase one ID which is not there in order sheets. Let's press Ctrl D, and if I remove 6 from here and add 7, and let me just fill this formula down with the help of Ctrl D. So see, now this VLOOKUP function cannot find this order ID in order sheets. So to correct this, we have to insert this order ID in order sheets. So let me just remove it from here right now. So this was the one reason when this error occurs. Second reason can be that the lookup value has some extra spaces or any special character So let me write some spaces in it. So see, the moment I wrote space in order ID, hash NA got generated, because again lookup formula could not see this order ID in order sheets, because this order ID has some extra trailing spaces. So let me just go and remove those spaces, and the moment I remove it, I'll get my category. Next error, hash name error. This error occurs when we write function name incorrectly or the range name incorrectly. For an example, let's say here I want to get unique category. So I will write a function unique. Okay, and I will select the range from here till here, bracket close, enter. Let's see, I'm getting that hash name error. Which means the function which I write, that function does not exist. You can see by this name, we don't have any function in Excel. We need to correct the function name. Let me remove it. And this is the right function which I need to select. Press enter. So I'm getting unique categories now. Name. So now you understood why we got hash name error and how to resolve that. Next error is hash null error. This hash null error occurs when we don't pass argument properly or when we don't use operators properly. Let's in, let's insert dummy data here, and between 10 to 90, and let me paste value. Okay, now let's say I want to sum this cell, this cell, and this cell. Bracket close, enter. See, I'm getting hash null error. Reason, knowingly I put space instead of comma. So I should use a proper operator here. The moment I use comma here, it will get corrected. Next error is hash ref error. This error occurs when reference is invalid. Means you have passed a range to a formula and now you have deleted that range. So that formula will give you hash ref error. So let's see with an example. Let's say in this cell, we have a sum function which has these three cells. And now if I delete any one of that cell, my function should return hash ref error. Let me remove this entire row. The moment I remove that entire row, I got this hash ref error. The reason why? Because my second argument is invalid now. So I hope you understand this. To fix such issues, you have to be sure that which range you are deleting, and if you have deleted the range knowingly, then correct your formula by passing the correct range. So now the cell address would be this one. And the next error is hash value error. This error comes when a wrong type of data set is used in a function or wrong type of operator we have used in a function. Means if I try to sum this plus this, will give me hash value error. Reason, this is not value, this is text. I'm forcefully passing text to my formula and trying to calculate. So which is incorrect. Alright guys, so these were most common errors which people face in Excel. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one.